Okay, hello again. Welcome to Barrel Brothers. So, what are we on today? We're on the, sitting out there in the rain, sunny truck. So, you know that we've shown you before, we do these for Yoshinaga alloy bits and pieces. These are the vents for the side of the sunny truck. You can get them in plain too. I also do alloy rocker covers. So yeah, this is the first, they do the Datsun one. And they do a sunny one too. Why haven't you put this on the car, Mark? Well, there's a reason for that. Here's a sunny one. And you can get them plain as well. So unpainted. But the reason I haven't put one on the car is because Yoshinaga-san promised me a special one and it arrived today. That's sunny and kanji. The red's not real bright, so what the plan to do with this is we'll get this stuff off and we'll put a better colour on it, redo the top. And they also do oil caps, Datsun and 710. Yeah, so the plan is to do, I think we'll do that in red, something similar to this, and do this in black with a machined across the top of there. Should look brilliant. Those are available on the website, by the way. The other thing about these rocker covers, while I think about it too, is they're quite tall. So if you've got a high lift cam or something or other, it will work with this guy here. Some of the alloy ones have a bit of a drama. Clearing, everything, like all the valve gear underneath. These don't, because they're tall. Yeah. Anyway, let's rip into it. Yeah, I was just packing these guys up and I realised I didn't give you a bit of information. These are for Nissan A series engines. They come with a genuine Nissan gasket. How do I know they're genuine, you may ask? Well, I took them out of the Nissan box and put them in the boxes here. And they come with, the one's taped down. Here we go. All the bolts and the breather gizmo too. This, while I think of it too, these caps here, they won't fit the standard A series clip-on one, but they do fit a standard Nissan cap. It's the same thread. So if you just wanted to run your Nissan cap on it, yeah, no dramas. So what do we need to do first? Well, we need to get this old paint off, and I thought while we're here, we'll do these guys as well. The idea is I'm going to, I don't want the polish finish on here, I want a machined finish. So what I'm going to do, and if that doesn't work, then we'll polish it. But the plan is to like mask up all around, powder coat across the top, then into the mill, and just machine the surface. Same deal with this. We either do that in the mill or we could actually do it in the lathe. I just want the top of the letters machined. This guy here, I went and saw Scotty over at Oxytech. Need some powder coating stuff. These are the guys. Look at that. Do some really good colours. And he's given me a couple to do with this. This is sort of a, what's this one called? What's written on the back? Water silk red, and this is bright red sand texture. This has got a little bit of texture to it. This one is like crackle red, and I think that's the one that I'm going to put on there. Yes, and we'll do the whole thing and then machine just this top surface. Whether we back and forth, I think it's back and forth. I'll try a couple of different techniques first on a bit of waste alloy. Just try a couple of different heads and speeds and see if we can, till we get the right sort of speed so it comes out looking like how I want to, and then in she goes and away we go. It's getting there. Should be there too much longer. Anyway, we'll throw this guy in and away we go. Pretty much that temperature's dropped. Anyway, we'll leave that guy there for a little while and let him bake out, and then we'll let him cool down and tape him up, put a bit of powder coat on. While the bits and pieces are over in the oven, this is an old Enki DCM10 centre that's bent, so I pulled it off the junk pile out the back, and I'm just going to go across the back here and see what sort of a finish I can get. Now we've got a couple of end mills here of, you know, various sizes. I've got a small one, and a 16 mil. I've also got this one here, so might try that on a couple of different speeds and a couple of different feed rates and see what we can get out of that, going back and forth. That was not bad. That's a slow speed, or slowish, slow fast. Does it go better one way than the other? See if it goes better that way or that way. Then we have our winner, folks. Direction does make a difference. You can see that from there. That looks really good. Advantages of a light car. There you have it. That's got to be worth about a second a lap at least. Cool. See you next time. Thanks for watching. I have no idea how people do jobs on their car without getting greasy fingerprints all over everything. It's just, as far as I can see, it's impossible.